So, congratulations po sa inyo. Pang-apat na beses na namin binisitang Santa Cruz. Hindi po siya yung school na nag-give up. Yun yung nakita namin. Every year na pumupunta kami, tumataas, nag-i-improve siya. So, marami kasing school na sumasali, parang ano lang, pero walang improvement eh. So, yun ang nakita namin. Congratulations. Tulad na sabi ng nag-deliberate. You expect na hindi po yun yung magiging place nyo this year. Wow!
Ano ba ang place nila last? 4, 5, 5, 7. Top 5.
Really, I agree with Ma'am Marina of what she said na yung mga bata ay natin, lalo at may camera. Because based on experience, nangyari din yan ng anak ko. Nag-quiz sila sa RBC nung pinanood ko halos magsusuklay naman ang gawin kong meron doon yung camera. Hindi na nakinig sa question. Kaya galit na galit ako. Ano bang pinuntahan ko? Fashion model ako. Natalo sila. O ngayon, sinong nakakaya? Hindi ko alam. Kung pwede lang talaga. Mama, yung gano'n mainit yung camera, ganun ko yung buhok ko. Ganun ba yun? Pero, that's part of growing. Mga bata yan Anong magawa natin? Alam naman natin na they know what they were doing. So, experience yan. Yung na pinagalitan ng principal, tapos pinagkita yung camera, ako na ito. Experience na. Chance to experience. Alam ng mga bata. Kasi may mga batang ganyan. Talaga na pagka ikaw sir, pagka ikaw mang tumatanong nagtatanong nakakasagot pagka ibang tao o hindi sarili meron part of exposure, that's it. So once again, on behalf of my group mates, we can find the words to say, to define your interest, yung commitment ninyo to support the program. Talagang ando doon kayo. First time ever, ma'am ni? First school na nakita namin, first district na meron yung mga school heads na ganito. Although kung nagpapatraining kami kung minsan, sinasamantala din ng supervisor na kinukuha yung mga school heads para parang kung baga sila na rin yung role, yung trainer sa kanila kung meron kami mga trainings. Pero bihira. Pero dito naman sa race na ito, sa competition na ito, first ever.
Wow!
Thank you for that. Hindi biro na meron na kayong idea, and that is an edge over the other districts. Na siguro by next year dadami ang schools na sasali dito at by the time si ma'am ando na susunod na yung ang ganda naman ang what an idea, very nice idea. Sana sir
may also inform the group that we are not only good in beautification. We are also number 2 in our district CD2 when it comes to national achievement test. So balanse po, Hindi lang po pang beauty contest kami, pati rin po sa academic. Hindi mami pala naabang kami niya tuwang. Ikaw pala yung naabang talaga.
Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you very much, Sir Bing, for your strong leadership. And we hope to see all of you.
Doon sa resignation.
Kasi may mga paunang salita sila. And I also feel and think positive. So, shall we see all of them during the awarding?
Expected.
Yes.
Okay. So, thank you once again, Ma'am Baby. Yes. Thank you, everyone. And, kagaya ng mga sinabi po nila, alam namin na hindi lang ito ang magsusupport ng ating program, but all of them. So, thank you so much. After this, we will still proceed to Bukid. So, medyo malayo pa yung aming biyahe. Yeah, okay. So, thank you, Ma'am Babes.
Naranyag Ballesteros to one and all. I just don't like to have this evaluation end without saying a word. Ang muya po, ilukanhot takno at kikinawatan ko amin because our barangay officials and some community folks are here. But sabi kasi nila, if the heart is full, the lips are speechless. Makasangsangit ako nang kayat. Kasi baka bad omen. Baka may babawi din ito sa tayo. But anyway, everything that you can see in our school, ma'am, are the collaborative efforts of the people who love Santa Cruz Elementary School very much. First and foremost, my teachers, who are always there with me. Umulan man o umaraw, hindi nila ako iniiwanan. Kahit ba dudukutin nila yung konting barya na lang na nasa bulsa nila, just to have their projects be completed, they do that. Of course, andyan sila pero hindi nila kinakaligtaan yung klase nila because I always tell them that there's always time for everything. They stay in their classroom when it's time for their classes, and then in the afternoon you always see them there working on their own areas, not only inside the school but even outside. So I can say that, sir, thank you very much for sending me here in Santa Cruz. This is now my kingdom. I love this place. Thank you, ma'am. Because the people here really care for us. Hindi nila kami pinapabayaan. The local government unit of Ballesteros are always there behind us. Bawal ang magbigay ng financial assistance because it's campaign period. Pero the mayor, Honorable Mayor Unite, the vice mayor, in remedyo tatlo matulungan na ito yung eskwela. Because the very first time when Serving came over our school to have the pre-evaluation, alam ko ang nararamdaman niya. Nakikita ko sa mukha niya, hindi siya masaya. Meaning, meron siyang gustong mangyari na hindi niya masabi sa amin because he knew fully well na wala kaming, we didn't have the means to do it. So many sleepless nights, including my teachers. Inisip namin kung anong gagawin namin, and thanks God, through the guidance and blessings of the Lord, naging ganito ang paaralan natin. Thank you for the positive comments.
Siya ko magigwa namin din.
They is the bargain.
Video ka.
Lahat ng pagod namin natanggal.
Wait talaga kasi.
Thank you very much. And of course, my fellow administrators.
Appreciations wala kayo.
They also gave their heart. Thank you, my dear fellow administrators, for your financial
Oh, it's crying
and moral
time
support.
again. You gotta
Maraming naitulong yung binigay ninyo.
Tukatin kayo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, di ka san.
Our success is also your success.
Ma'am?
To the members of the PTA, through the able leadership of the President, Mrs. Gina Gracion. Lahat po ng mga nakikita natin dito, hindi namin sasabihin kung ano yung sikreto natin. But what I would say is, we have good practices, and we are adapting this year in and year out. So, to the members of the Barangay Council, under the leadership of our very supportive Barangay Captain, Honorable Remigio de la Cruz,
Best practices talaga natin.
for all the things na naitulong ka dito ng eskwela po, saan tayo ito financial, moral, the challenges behind everything. Ado naging challenges na po. Na nanya naging mga ni. We take them as a challenge. Katagta ako nagbalinday piniskwela because all of us help each other. Hindi kami nagpabaya sa role ng bawat isa. We extended the program outside. Makita yung naging ubing ni with the SPG advisor and the WOW advisor. Mapamkamag monitor kilawlaw-law. Despite the activities that we have inside the school. So again, thank you so much. Thank you for the positive comments. Napunas ti Bambanog ni Ket sayang. Sana sinabi ninyo na dito na lang kayo maglalans. Hindi lang sana yun ang penetrate. Kasi ang alam na hindi tayo aabutin ng ganito. Meron ako. I have also may informant naman ako, sabi niya, they will take their lunch in booking. So, anusan nyo na nila yung i-serve ka na tayo. Yes, thank you very much for, again, from Honorable Mayor and Vice Mayor Violeta Ulite, Vice Mayor Vincent Ulite, nagkapo kanya da ako na ito'y pagsasangman tayo tata with the Vice Mayor of Abulog. Madam Alin Vargas. So, Vargas Alfonso. So, dahil pasasangwan siya tata ako.
Thank you, sir, ha, yesterday.
Ato, nagrasya man dito nga nagtinglag iti, nagkapo nga to. Kasi awan na dyan po sa amin ako, lusok po sa amin. But anyway, thank you so much. Iso nga, sir, ito kanita pa no Madam Damakat, can we relax?
Yes. Yes, basta.
Or half payment lang, sir, that
Ingay,
holiday
di ko,
nito kanita taban na sa Madam Damakat.
Sa dami mag-agmalmes, di ko ang
Thank you very much. So, to my fellow teachers, congratulations also. Congratulations to all of
Gananad
us.
kayo
Kaya kadagiti ka lugar ni Apo, dito Santa Cruz. Agyaman kami ni Panakitay Sayo, kanday to solid waste management. Thank you, and good day.